This video is to showcase my coding skills for Python, which I have implemented as part of a interview exercise for a company. So it is called image and video upload utility. So basically it's a web application which is built on Django. It has a basic form to upload a file, and the file will only be in the form of image and video files. So basically if you try to upload any other file, it will not allow it. And there is one more page that shows you the list of all the uploaded files that you have done along with their metadata. So metadata is, as you all know, it's information about the file, like if it's an image, what is the size of the image, what is the resolution for that image, such kind of stuff. So application is currently up and running at this particular location, and I will walk you through the same in some time. I'll quickly brief through architecture. So it has a very simple architecture. It is built on top of Django, which is a framework that follows MVT architecture, and it uses SQLite 3, which is an RDBMS system available within Django. And the entire code is put over Docker container, and the container is kept inside Amazon EC2 instance, so it is running over the cloud. So as you can see here, this is my EC2 instance. So I'm using free tier, and this is my IPv4 address. So yeah, let me just copy it and quickly go through the same. Yeah, it's open here. So this is the website. So as soon as I click me to upload, it will give me these fields. I'm just putting any new image. I'll choose a file and I'll say upload. So as you can see, for today 20th May, I've uploaded this image, and this is the metadata. Its format is JPEG, size is 122 KB, RGB, height, width. If I just click on it, it will show me the actual image. And yeah, if I go back and I now want to upload a video, so I'll again click me to upload and try say new video file. So I'll select a file and I'll say startrails.mov file and say upload. So as you can see here, the progress bar is showing uploading 78%, and yeah, there it go. So here you see it's uploaded at today, and it's a video of mime type QuickTime. If I click on this, it will allow you to download the same. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.